Doing 20 push-ups every day is a simple habit that can build real upper body strength. This single exercise trains your chest, shoulders, arms, core, and even your legs at the same time. Because push-ups use your own body weight, they develop functional strength that carries into daily life. Daily push-ups help increase muscle endurance and tone the upper body with consistency. Your chest becomes stronger, your arms feel firmer, and your core more stable. Stronger muscles also burn more calories, which supports fat loss over time. Push-ups every day improve posture by strengthening the muscles that support your shoulders and spine. Better posture reduces shoulder and neck strain caused by long hours of sitting. As posture improves, confidence naturally increases. Doing push-ups daily also builds mental discipline. Even on low energy days, completing 20 reps teaches consistency. This small daily win strengthens your mindset and focus. No gym, no equipment, no excuses, just your body and 20 push-ups. Do them every day and watch your strength, confidence, and physique improve.